Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I filmed this natural no makeup look for you guys. I was chit-chatting a bit through the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you like this style of makeup video or do you prefer a voiceover. Hi guys, so I kind of want to do a little chit-chat, get ready with me, everyday natural makeup kind of thing, but I don't want to make this video too long. So let's see if we can accomplish that. So I'm just gonna get started and talk along while I do my makeup. Yeah, so I'm gonna prime my face using the Revlon Stay Matte Primer. This is like my favorite primer for oily skin right now. If you guys know of a you know what, scratch this, because I know what foundation I'm gonna use and I feel like this primer works better with that foundation. Where's the primer? But yeah, I still love this primer for oily skin. I'm just gonna switch out the primer just because I'm using my Black Radiance foundation and I feel like their foundation works better with their primer. So I'm trying to, oh, here it goes. So instead we're gonna use this one. This is the Black Radiance Refining Skin Primer. Apply it on your face. I think I kind of put too much over here, but yeah. This is also a mattifying primer as well. I don't know if you guys can see like the blurring effect it had on my skin, but yeah. I haven't tried this primer with any other foundation, just this one. Next I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance foundation, and this is in the shade 8414 Brownie. I feel like I should just cover up the discoloration around my mouth area. So, is this it? I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. This is like my skin tone shade. So I'm just gonna go all around my mouth with this. This entire weekend I've been so freaking sick. I don't know, well, I went to the doctor. They did say maybe like a stomach bug or whatever, but I haven't been able to keep anything down when I eat, and I just messed up my brows. Yeah, like I was saying, I haven't been able to keep anything down when I eat. Like, I've either been feeling like I want to throw it up, and my stomach's been super weak, so I went to the doctor to give me something for it. But now I'm just like scared to eat. Like every time I go to eat something, I'm like super afraid because I don't want to throw it up. So yeah, that's been my weekend. So I just decided to get out of bed and actually film a video because I feel like filming today, and I actually need to have a video by the end of this week because I did say I'm gonna post videos every Friday on my channel. So my brows are already done. I do have a brow tutorial on my channel. I will link it below. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna link my entire makeup playlist as well, so you guys can go through if you want to. I have a bunch of stuff in there. I even have like a full face of Black Radiance in there as well. Now that I'm like using some of their products, I might as well tell you guys that. To highlight, I'm gonna be using my favorite, my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's in the shade 30 Cafe. This is like my favorite concealer for highlighting. And comment down below like what video made you subscribe to my channel. Was it like a makeup video, skincare video, hair care video, a fashion video? Matter of fact, I only have like one fashion video on my channel. Like I'm talking like I have like a ton. I am gonna film another fashion video soon, or at least try to film it. But yeah, Let me know what video made you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Real Techniques sponge. This is like the, hold on, let me tell you which one. Okay. So I got this little set here. It comes with the pink one, this one, and these little purple ones. So I'm taking this one because it's small enough to fit under the eye. And I'm going to wet that with some setting spray. So has anybody gone to see Tyler Perry's new movie Acrimony? Like, can you tell me how the movie is without ruining the movie? I just want to know, is it good? Should I go see it? Funny story, I haven't even seen like Black Panther yet. I know, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm probably gonna revoke my black card, but child, I've been just so freaking tired. Every time I get a day off, I'm like, oh, time to go to bed, and then I just stay in bed all weekend, and then before you know it, it's time to go to work. Like today is like my first day back at work. Well, my first night actually. So I have to go to work in a few hours. So after I'm done filming, I'm going to make dinner. I'm making barbecue ribs. Even though I feel sick, I feel like I want my ribs. I don't know if my stomach is feeling up for that, but I feel like I should make ribs. But yeah, I'm gonna make dinner, then I'm gonna take a nap. If I have the time to watch a movie, I will. I've just been kind of like watching some of my favorite movies all weekend. I have like a little DVD collection. I just select one of my favorites and watch it. Now that we have that blended out, I'm gonna take this Black Radiance contour palette. It's their cream contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use this contour shade. I love this palette. You can see I hit pan right here. So I use this palette for like a subtle contour. It's not really, doesn't really give me like a deep chiseled contour. So I like this palette for like natural looks. I've been drinking much water this week, and because of that I have these two monsters here trying to come up. But as soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna attack these because we're not having pimples. So I'm gonna set my under eye using this Black Radiance banana powder, and I did a review on this powder and a lot of people seem to have liked that review. So go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. I did a flashback test and everything. Okay, to bring some warmth back to my face, I'm using one of my favorite setting powders. It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is like the darkest shade, number 40. Moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna take my NYX matte liner. Guys, this has literally become my favorite liner. Like, I usually use this Wet n Wild H2O proof liner, and I'm telling y'all, I like this liner. It stays on. I can give it that. It stays on. But this pen, Wait, this is not even the right pen. I switched the pen out because I hated the pen for this H2O Proof liner, but I can tell you it stays on. But this NYX liner goes on, it's matte right away. Unlike the Wet n Wild liner, it takes a while to dry, which I hate because by the time I close my eyes, I have hooded lids. The liner is everywhere, and then it just ruins my entire look, especially if I have on eyeshadow. Like, I get super frustrated. But yeah, this liner has been babe. I just love it. But I can't talk while I'm doing my liner, so be right back. I just finished applying my lashes off camera because, let's be honest, if I did it on camera we'd be here all day because I'm not a pro at applying lashes. Like, I just finished cleaning lash glue off my lips. Don't ask how that happened. It happened. I'm taking my Maybelline Master Precise liner. I love this liner. And I'm just gonna go ahead. Let me take this brush. I think I went in a little bit too heavy with the liner, but no worries. We're just gonna take a smudge brush and smudge that out a bit. Alright, now that we have that covered, now to the fun part, I'm gonna apply some blush, and this is my Black Radiance blush. This is like a very natural blush. It's the shade Toasted Almond. And I'm just gonna take my Morphe blush brush and apply this to my cheeks. And to highlight, I'm gonna use the highlight from this Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette. Oops. It's this shade right here. Not sure how dramatic we want to go, but yeah. You can always be dramatic with highlight. I don't care if you're doing like a natural look or whatever. Be dramatic with your highlight. Alright, I'm gonna take my Black Radiance Perfect Tone Lip Definer, and no, this video is not sponsored by Black Radiance, but I really like their products for natural makeup looks. So yeah, that's why I'm pulling out a ton of Black Radiance stuff. And even liking my pictures on Instagram too, they've been showing me love, so gotta show them some love too, you know? And now I'm gonna take the last Black Radiance product, I promise. And this is their Brilliant Effects Lip Gloss. And I'm just gonna... Okay, and now to set, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. setting spray. This is the Matte Magic. So yeah, this is it guys. This is my go-to no makeup look. So comment below and let me know if you like this look. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.